Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EUR JPY for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro JPY. You can see that I have three lines drawn here on the chart. Right now market is trading in a downward channel and we have a support slash resistance from the weekly chart. The chart looks simple but there are some complications. So let's try to understand the chart of Euro JPY. The chart is a little bit complicated, so please watch the video carefully. So we had a strong support from the weekly chart at 130.50 level. Okay. Plus we also had few Fibonacci retracement levels, but the selling pressure continued in the market and at one point of time market broke everything. After this uptrend, after this strong uptrend in the market, we were thinking that this was just a consolidation or correction, but right now we can easily see that this is a trend reversal in the market. And the most confusing factor was that on Friday market closed below the weekly level of 130.50. The last traded price is 130.28. So as market has closed below this level, okay, that's why we're confused right now. We are not sure whether 130.50 is a support or resistance. Yes, as market has broke the support, so definitely you may be thinking that the support is gone, but these levels are from the weekly chart. Generally levels from the weekly chart are kind of strong. Okay, therefore still we do not have the proper confirmation yet whether whether the support is gone or not. Okay, next week by Monday or Tuesday we will get the confirmation about the 130.50 level and its role in the market. Yes, its role in the market, whether it is the support or the resistance. Okay. Apart from this 130.50 level, you can see that market is trading in a downward channel here. We have a line at the top which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, and at the bottom we have this trend line which is also acting as the dynamic support for the market. Or in simple words, whenever market is trying to go up, this trend line is acting as a resistance, and on the other hand, whenever market is going down, it is getting support from this trend line. And you can see that on Friday market has just closed at the trend line. So if we just consider the trend of the market here, then we can see market is in downtrend right now. And as we all know, the basic rule of the market is follow the trend. Or in simple words, if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. We had one strong support we were hoping to buy, but market has broke the support. Therefore right now we do not have any proper level to take buy position right now. If you take any buy position, then it would be very risky for you, because overall the market is in downtrend. So if you buy at this trend line also, there is no guarantee that market will be going up, because selling pressure is very high. So buying at the trend line also is very risky, and I'll just suggest you to avoid it. So let's try to understand what are the best or safe trading opportunities for us. So the first opportunity that will come for us is 130.50 level. On Monday, if market goes up, yes, listen to me carefully, if market goes up on Monday, observe the market at 130.50 level. Okay, if you find market struggling at 130.50 level, if you find market reversing from 130.50 level, then you will get the confirmation that yes, as market has broke the support, 130.50 is the new resistance. The support has become the resistance, and you can take a sell position at 130.50 level as the new resistance. Okay, but on the other hand, If market breaks the level of 130.50 and starts going up, do not take any buy because trend of the market is towards the downside. In that case, wait for the right time, wait for the perfect opportunity, because this is your hard-earned money and it's your responsibility to protect it. Be a trader, not a gambler, as I was saying. So if market goes up from here, then wait for the market to hit the trend line. When market will hit the trend line, observe the market and see. There's a good possibility of market reversing from the trend line considering the present bearishness in the market, considering the present selling pressure in the market. So if market reverses from the trend line at the top, you can take a sell position. So these two are the safe trading opportunities on Euro JPY chart right now. But on the other hand, if market goes down from here, if market starts going down from here, yes, you can take a sell position also, considering it as a fresh breakout towards the downside, but that can be a risky one. New traders, beginners should avoid, because let me show you. See, we have a support from the in the form of the Fibonacci retracement level at 61.8%, 130 level. So this, going for shorting at the present price level may not be a good option, and this kind of market are also called as sell on rise. So whenever market will go up, it will be better for us to take a sell position when market will reverse. So that's it. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.